Welcome to this FlowPaper tutorial, embedding FlowPaper publications on your blog or website using the Embed tag. In this tutorial, we are going to go over how to create an embed tag in FlowPaper and how to embed your publication using this tag in Squarespace. Once your publication is ready to share, head straight on up to the Publish button and select it. I'm going to stick with Cloud Hosted, but you can use a custom domain as well if you are set up to host your publication yourself. Now that your publication has finished processing, select Start Upload. Once the upload is complete, you will see that you are given a shareable URL as well as the code to embed this publication on your website. You can select from two code options, clickable, miniature, or full publication. I'm going to select clickable miniature to show you how the code works. Copy the tag and head to your website or blog. For this tutorial, we are using Squarespace, and we are already in the website's edit mode. Select the plus sign on the right-hand side of the page to add a block to your Squarespace website. There are a lot of block options. What we want to add is called a code block. The easiest way to find this is to type the word code into the search bar of the pop-up window. Here it is. Select it. A code block will be added to the bottom of your page. Here it is. Just replace the code that's already in there by pasting the line of code you copied from FlowPaper into the box. A preview will pop up. As we expected, it's in miniature. But what if you wanted to make some changes to your publication's appearance? Some alterations can be made right here in the code. Let's start by adjusting the height and width in the code. We'll change the width to 100% to stretch across the entire block, and the height from 300 pixels to 400. That looks great! Let's make one more change. Let's see what happens if we take out this preview mode miniature portion of code. Hey look, our control panel and thumbnail preview. How easy was that? I think this looks really good, so I'm going to go ahead and click Apply. Thanks for watching this FlowPaper tutorial on embedding FlowPaper publications on your blog or website using the Embed tag. You can find more tutorials to help you through this process online.